There's no denying that 2020 has been a terrible year. And like many, the team at realme are wishing for a better year in 2021. We took all the unwanted things from 2020 from realme fans around the world. We want to say goodbye to all the terrible things that happened in 2020 and wish for the best in 2021. To make these hopes a reality, we decided to send them into the universe by launching them into space. We took fans' wishes and wrote them on environmentally friendly, biodegradable paper. We then put them inside a stratospheric balloon and sent them into space on the 31st of December. This incredible launch event marks the start of what we hope will be a fantastic year for the world. The custom-built craft was designed to capture the awe-inspiring view of our planet from space. Inside the balloon were wishes for 2021 written on paper, which scattered across the world when the balloon burst. This has been an incredible launch event for realme, and we cannot wait for a fantastic new year. So join me in saying goodbye to 2020 and hello to 2021.